artificial intelligence is dangerous. You should not use artificial intelligence. Of course you should. It's an amazing tool. I mean, who am I to say that artificial intelligence is dangerous? I created some models. I worked in that field. I have my PhD in artificial neural networks. Like any tool, artificial intelligence needs to be understood to use it wisely. It's not because it's called artificial intelligence that it's going to be more intelligent than human beings. Where artificial intelligence is going to help you a lot is to remove problematics with decision making. I mean, I'm writing a lot about that. You know that decision persuasion is the love of my life, if I may. So the human brain, I love the human brain. And we humans face problematics when it comes to decision making. We get exhausted, we get decision fatigue, we get scared. Our little brains are running ballistic when it's time to make a decision. Even worse, our primal brain tries to make all the decisions because it runs 200 times faster than the rational brain, which needs data and a lot of things to think about before making a decision. Artificial intelligence runs the same way. I mean, the models that ChatGPT, all those GPT things are using at the moment are based on artificial neural networks. The ones I worked on, the ones I helped develop. Artificial neural networks, like every piece of artificial intelligence, needs to learn. That's why you see so many people who become now prompt experts at ChatGPT, for example. You don't need to be a prompt expert, you just need to understand that learning, like when you learn something, you need to repeat things. And the more you repeat, the more you learn. In fact, it's faster if you use some emotion, and that's something that only the human brain can do. Anyway, the more you learn something, the more you know it. And artificial neural networks reach a stage where they work by heart, if I may say so, where they reproduce exactly the same data if you overtrain them. Yeah. So first you have to train them. Something like ChatGPT. Let's use ChatGPT because everyone talks about it. In the future, we may want to talk about context. I'm going to talk more about that one because that, when it comes to decision making, is amazing. Extracting context and information from meetings, from audio, from video, from everything, and building context for you to reach the right decision. You know, persuasion, artificial intelligence, rings a bell. Yeah. So yeah, you have to train any artificial neural network you are using so that it understands what you want it to work on. You cannot run the first prompt of the day, write me an article about how oranges can be used to build marmalade. If you don't tell any artificial intelligence that it's an expert at marmalade doing and that it should read some recipes first. So those are all the things you can do, but artificial intelligence isn't dangerous. A hammer is a wonderful tool when you need to build a house. It helps you to get nails into planks. If I use that hammer on your head, it won't be perceived as a wonderful tool. It will hurt you. A computer, a laptop is a wonderful tool. If I throw it in your face, it's not a wonderful tool. Nuclear power is fantastic. Atom fission is fantastic. It produces nuclear power, which produces energy and heat and so on. It also produces nuclear bombs. Yeah, that's the problem with human beings. They can create the best and the worst. So the way you use your artificial intelligence is going to define who you are. Artificial intelligence is not going to take your job away. It's going to make your job easier. It's going to alleviate decision power needs. You will save more time for your decisions. Your decision power will be improved. The same for other people. You can persuade people more easily if you use ethical persuasion system, of course, and artificial intelligence. So that's it for today, guys. You should use artificial intelligence. You should learn how to use it. I'm going to give you some examples about crazy things you can do. More soon. Bye-bye.